Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a tigress from Kung Fu Panda. Let's start with the head first. Draw a rectangle. Draw curved lines to smoothen the corners. Draw a vertical line and horizontal line to divide the rectangle. Split the bottom half of the rectangle, this marks the eye line. Further divide the lower half, this marks the mouth line. Draw a new shape for snout shape. Draw mouth. Draw nose. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Detail the face. Add the patterns on the head. Detail the face. Complete the face structure. Draw a curved line on the top for smooth line. Add the patterns on the head. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the face. Draw a circle below head for the ribcage. Draw a curved line to position the pose. Draw a circle at the right side of the ribcage for the pelvic structure. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw paw. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw tiger line pattern on the hand. Connect the circles to form the body shape. Draw waist belt. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Let's draw dress. Draw collar. Detail the dress. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw paw. Draw leg. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw toe. Draw paw. Detail the pant. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.